Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the poster mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then I'm just going to double click the PixlrX Start a Design Project button. And then I'll click Open Image to open the mockup off the computer. And then just pick the image you want and click Open. It's going to ask us if we want to size it down. I'll open the original size by clicking Original and then clicking Apply. Alright, and then to add your design, you just want to click on this little icon on the left hand side with the square and the lines through it that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click the Add Media button. And now just find your design on the computer. Okay, it's going to add the design to the front, and we actually want to put it behind. So first I'll press Ctrl- to zoom out, and then I'm going to click and drag any one of the four corners to size the design down. Once you've got it about the right size, I'm going to click on the bottom image in the layers panel with the background, and I just want to double click the so I just wanted to click on the little padlock icon that was there to unlock it. You could also click on the three dot icon on the upper right hand corner of the image in the layers panel and just make sure that unlocked is clicked on instead of locked. And then once the bottom layer is unlocked, you can take and drag your design underneath the bottom image in the layers panel, and now it'll actually be behind the background so you can see everything and you've got the shadow. And that's all there is to adding your design to the poster mockup in Pixlr. Now you can just click the Save button. If you're going to use this as a thumbnail online, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So just make sure JPEG selected, and then I'd change the quality to 100 and leave it on high. And then just click Save As. And you can change the name here. So we'll just add Design 1. And click Save. And then if you wanted to save a layered Pixlr document, you can just click Save a second time. And then this time select PXZ. You could even toggle non-destructive on so you make sure you get the full benefit of the non-destructive layers in the Pixlr file. And then you just click Save As. And that's all there is to editing the PNG version of the poster mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.